This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford F150 headlights. First, open your truck's hood and look for the two retaining pins at the top of the headlight assembly. These pins are crucial for holding the light in place. Gently pull both pins straight up until they are fully disengaged. Once released, you can carefully pull the entire headlight assembly forward a few inches to gain access behind it. With the headlight pulled forward, you'll see the main electrical connector on the back. Press the tab and gently pull to disconnect it. There might be other smaller wiring harnesses or clips, so make sure to unclip those too. Some models also have a small vacuum hose for headlight aiming. Carefully detach this if you find one. Take your time to avoid damaging any wires or connectors. Once all connections are free, you can gently guide the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. It should slide out smoothly. Take a moment to inspect the area where the headlight was seated for any dirt, debris, or signs of damage. When you're done, place the removed headlight in a secure, clean location to prevent scratches or breakage while you work on your vehicle. To reinstall your Ford F150 headlights, simply reverse the steps you just followed. Carefully slide the assembly back into its housing, reconnect all electrical connectors and any vacuum hoses, and then push the retaining pins back down until they click into place. Before fully closing your hood, turn on your truck and test both the low and high beam headlights to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.